beholder, twinkle, grandeur, guardian, intrinsic, literature, capture, momentarily, unconsciously, anthropology, creatures, somehow, perpetuate, miniature, unraveled, aquamarine, microscopic, volcanoes, coral, yachting, extremely, uninhabited, cheetah, lizard, inhospitable, environment, wildflower, shifting, diametrically, orchids, fragrant, pursue, conquer, attractive, jewels, irresistible,